Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Cubot Note 7, at the first you have to go for the Play Store and then tap on the searchable LED keyboard. Let's get it from the SASIC Studio. Tap install. Right now we can open. Click to get started. Tap OK. Tap on the switcher, then tap OK another time. Go for the input options and switch to LED keyboard. Right now we can choose one of the theme that we have right here. I will go for the LED and I will set up RGB dance. So click right here and now just wait until it loads ads. Okay, it's take too long, so right now let's click on the home button and check if it is working. I think that maybe this ad was some kind of debug, so click here. And as you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.